Welcome everyone to the iNFINTRI website. This homepage is designed to immediately establish trust, clarity, and excitement. This one line itself explains the entire concept: clean energy, smart earning, and sustainable future. The platform focuses on generating returns through EV and solar investments, which are growing industries globally. This menu is the entire of learning roadmap for a new user. Every presenter must teach members how to navigate and confidently before discussing investments mechanics. You can always reach iNFINTRI via social media using these buttons. Okay, explore a variety of options while investing from the crypto space. iNFINTRI accepts Dogecoin, Solana, Tron, Bitcoin, and many more as visible here. Let me ask you, how many of you like the idea of your money working 24 hours from 7 days a week? iNFINTRI opens the door to the fast-growing industries, solar energy and electric mobility. With over existence in 50 countries, iNFINTRI is a leading energy business. Combining blockchain technology, iNFINTRI gives access to every minute ROI, fuel EVs across the world, and generate real-time returns. This section explains why iNFINTRI exists. Look at this carefully. It's not just about profit. It's about impact, environmental protection, clean mobility, future sustainability. iNFINTRI is building a system where clean energy also becomes profitable. iNFINTRI also offers flexible installment plans. You can invest over 4 or 8 weeks, making it easy to begin without a large upfront amount and still enjoy early continuous earnings. This is great initiative from the team, and users must seriously notice this opportunity. Suppose you want to invest $100. Go with a $25 investment over 4 weeks and still get returns as $100. Interesting. People from around the world are already part of the iNFINTRI community. Here you can see some of their experiences and success stories. Tells us about who we are a part of. A growing community equals growing stability. With iNFINTRI, your investments grow in real time, minute by minute. You can watch your earnings build. There is no long waiting period. Your money stays active and working for you every moment. This is truly the future of investing. This is only possible by contributing to real-time in-demand business. Here you'll find our latest articles, news updates, and insights on clean energy, electric vehicles, and smart investing. It's the perfect place to stay informed and explore new ideas. This section shares knowledge, EV industry insights, solar energy benefits, investment education. This builds understanding, not just earning. Let's continue to the menu options here. Here on the About page, you learn who we are and what drives us. Infantry is more than a company. We are a community of innovators and environmental enthusiasts. Our goal is to make clean energy and sustainable mobility accessible and profitable for everyone. By joining us, you are supporting a movement that puts the planet first. You will also find our roadmap section where outlines the key milestones and future plans guiding our journey together. Understand the complete mechanics of energy production and distribution from the infantry ecosystem. Special attention is required from everyone now. We have a new page here, an important one. The leadership page. Much awaited from everyone, I believe. Here we come across the CEO of Infantry, Mr. Alexander. I told you we have more and more new updates and info for every one of you. Here you can review the complete info about the CEO, go through his academics, and also analyze what he has in store for infantry and all of us. If you scroll down a little lower, you can view CEO's message and updates about infantry. Everything in action. All the updates by our CEO will be available here all the time. Don't forget to visit the section and get acquainted with our CEO. The wait is over. It's time we progress together and bring new achievements to every one of us. This is the most important part for serious users. A revenue model explained. Infantry earns through EV charging stations, EV leasing, solar energy sales, carbon credits. Multiple income sources equals stability. The income estimator helps you see how much you can earn per minute, per day, and in total. And it's an easy way to compare plans and understand how your money grows in real time. Use this to help you downlines keep a track of their investments and plan accordingly, generating energy with real-time wealth. Here you can check any withdrawals by entering its transaction ID. This ensures full transparency and trust. I have rarely come across such detailed transparency. Appreciate Infantry for special efforts. Heading to the legality aspects, here you can see how infantry follows all the rules and regulations. We maintain strict compliance to ensure ethical and secure operations. Transparency and responsibility are at the heart of everything we do. Verify and certify our guidance and regulations from this page from time to time. The advancement section shows how infantry is constantly growing and evolving. Here we highlight our latest projects, technological developments, and expansions in clean energy and EV mobility. It's a look at the future of sustainable investing. Keep a track of infantry's latest activities and announcements from here. The bundle section is a gallery where you'll find our presentations, promotional images, stickers, and videos. Everything here is ready for you to download and share, making it easy to promote, present, or explain infantry to others. On the contact page, you can reach us easily. We provide email address and a phone and a contact form for questions or partnership requests. We welcome communication from investors and supporters worldwide. Get in touch and with the top experts who can guide you and step up with you. The terms page explains the rules and agreements for using iNFINTRI. It's important to review this to understand your rights and responsibilities as an investor. This page details how we handle your personal information. At iNFINTRI, protecting your data is a top priority, and we comply with all privacy standards to ensure your security. The usage advisory explains important details about participation, potential risks, and legal guidance. We want our investors to make informed decisions, understanding the market and technological risks involved. The FAQ section answers common questions about iNFINTRI, our investment model, and our services. It's a great place for a quick clarification and practical guidance for all users. A quick guide to all basic questions and getting started with iNFINTRI. Users must often look out for the FAQ section and get familiar with it. At the bottom of the page, you'll see our social media links. These icons take you directly to our official platforms, where you can stay updated with announcements and new projects and community activities. Make sure you follow us. You'll never miss important news, updates, or opportunities from iNFINTRI. Stay connected to other users and groups. Connect with all the buzz and lead iNFINTRI. If you already have an account, you can use the sign-in option to log in. Just enter your client ID and the password to access your insight and view your investments. And if you are new to iNFINTRI, the sign up option lets us create your account in just a few steps. Fill in your basic details and you are ready to begin your investment journey and be part of the clean energy movement. This is the complete overview of the website, and I hope users have my attention and I'm being helpful to all of you. This makes for the presentation. Let us move to the next part.